All right, in this video, we're gonna make a new tutorial. So it will be the sweep. So we'll make a new design. So we click on the plus here. So it will open a new design. So we're done with the previous part. You can see it saved over here on the tutorial. We modified it a lot. We have 11 versions out of it. Which you just quickly change document settings. It is in inches, so that's what we want. So that's fine. You can see there's no name yet, right? It's saved. So let's start with creating a sketch. Right. So this time, instead of being in the bottom, I'm gonna do in this plane. You see this one right here that's highlighted in gray. So this will be like the right or left plane. I will click on that. I will make a line. Or in this case, I will make like, let's say I'll make a circle. So I'll make a circle. Let's say I make it like this. We can do different shapes. So let's start just making a small one. So let's make a circle. The dimensions, we'll put it as 7 inches. All right, we finished the sketch, and that's my circle, right? That's just what it is. So what we'll do now is I'm gonna go and click create and click on sweep. And this one, if you have well, you know what? Let's make it smaller. Let's make this circle smaller, just real quick. So then edit sketch, and let's make this 1 inch. All right, so that's on that, and finish sketch. And let's use a perpendicular plane to that. So you can see the faces like this. So let's use this other plane. So new sketch on this plane. And you can see, looking at this, this is the section of the circle. So I will do something like this. So make a line here that goes like this. And then I'll make a line that goes like this. And like if I click and drag before I press it, it becomes into like something like that. And then something like this. So you can do any shape that you want, um, as long as they're rounded and smooth. Hopefully this one will work. We have this edge that's kind of like, pretty sharp. So I will do a fillet, clicking these two areas. 0.6. Yeah, sounds about good. And you can see a fillet, so it's around there. So hopefully this will work. All right. So, and if not, we can change the fillet. So you can see this shape. So we have the circle in the front, and then it's connected to the center of the circle, this line. So it will click what's it called? A path. So let's click on sweep. Will ask us for the front profile, and then we need the path. We'll select this one, and there we go. So you can see, if you want to make like a pipe or something, or a specific shape, you can do, just make sure that the the curves, they're smaller than the circle, things like that, just so that it doesn't like overlap and become. That's why we're gonna smooth some of the edges. Okay, and yeah, we could have done a little more, but this is our sweep, so you can create many shapes that you want. You can see this more. You can play around with the torus and so on. Coil, the pipe, you see already does that. So play around with some of those later. The sphere, revolve, and so. But for now, this is just how you do the sweep, and that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. So we'll just save this one as tutorial 2 sweep, and then we just have one more tutorial 2 revolved.